In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the area of basic shapes. Make sure you master this video before you progress into our next video, which is area of compound shapes. So one of the shapes I'm going to show you how to calculate the area of is a square or a rectangle. And the reason I'm using square and rectangle is because the way you do this is exactly the same for both shapes. Area refers to how much space this shape here is taking up. So the way we would calculate this with a rectangle or a square is L times W, also known as length times width. Now our length, how long this rectangle is 10 centimeters, and our width is 7 centimeters. So dead straightforward, 10 times 7 equals 70. So the area of this rectangle will be 70 centimeters. Next, we will have a look at a triangle. Now, a triangle, the formula is B times H divided by 2. So, B refers to base, or the bottom, which is the bottom number here, 5. H refers to height, which is this number here, 10 centimeters. 7 centimeters I've listed here is the length of the triangle, which you don't actually need for this calculation. Sometimes exams will throw the length in as well, just to try and test your knowledge. It's the base and the height that you're after. So base times height, also known as 5 times 10, equals 50. And then with the triangle, when you're calculating the area of a triangle, you always have to half your answer, or divide by 2. So 50 divided by 2 is 25 centimeters. And that is the area of that triangle. The final shape I'm going to show you is a circle. Now with a circle there are 3 key terms that we need to understand. One of them is pi, sometimes listed as a symbol like this. Pi literally means the numbers 3.14. We then also need to know radius and diameter. Now diameter I've already labelled on the circle for you. The diameter is the distance between one part of a circle and the directly opposite the other part of the circle. So the diameter is 16 centimeters. The radius is the outside point of the circle directly to the middle of the circle. But an easy way to understand this is that it is just half of whatever the diameter is. So in this case, 8 centimeters. Now, with that being said, the calculation to work out the area of a circle is pi times radius squared. So the first thing we need to do is calculate what the radius is. I've already done it for you. It's 8 centimeters. Sometimes you will have to do this yourself. When the question will just give you the diameter, you'll have to calculate the radius yourself. So radius squared, 8 times 8 is 64. So we've done the radius squared, we've got 64, so 64 times by pi. So 64 times 3.14 equals 64 multiplied by 3.14 equals 200.96. So the area of this circle is 200.96 centimeters. Now make sure you are familiar with how to calculate the area of a square/rectangle, triangle and circle before you move on to the next video.